All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are, round 4. The sculpture place facility over here. So Sculpture Garden, Walker Art on the 18th day of August, 2023. So I guarantee when this comes out in wintertime, not too good. That was kind of cool, interesting. So, it's called the Black Vessel of the Saint. Black Vessel of the Saint. Huh, all right. No idea what this is here too as well. It's kind of in the UFO or something. I have no idea. There's a cherry in the spoon over there, you guys. There it is. So, it's not overly that big, but I don't have time to go into Walker Art. I'm gonna pay to walk around and videotape a bunch of art. Beauty of this whole thing is at the park, walking over, screwing around. So, kind of see from this end over here what it's all about. I see that guy all the time. That food thing. So. So I think that's kind of cool. So that's cool. So there it is. We had a little better. What do you think, huh? Kind of see it a little better. I was on the other side, so. Cool. But these native grasses are very interesting. A lot of good pictures over here. This is how to follow that all the way around, how that's grown. So we'll go over here, make our way over there, take some more pictures here. Probably be the final video of this escapade, which I want to get out of the way. Get the ball field over there. What the hell is this thing? I'm surprised it's made out of wood. I'm shocked no one's come over and tried to burn it down. Really, I'm shocked because it's wood. Woodrow. You know how people are, they destroy stuff. I'm glad it's here, but you get my point. Someone always wants to do something stupid. That bad boy. Cool. All low together. It's a horsey. Very nice. See the ball field? They were playing ball over there. Where do you see? Oh, there they are. They're playing a little baseball. See if there's any baseballs in here. I can throw them in. Anything in here? Yeah, they're playing some baseball. Batter up. So, looks like they have some over here. So I'll walk over here. It's not too hot, but both batteries won't work. I don't know why. Let's see what happens. Maybe you have to be longer in the thing. I have no idea. So, restrooms over here. Little limos over here. Take people over here. Oh, that must have been that. The young lady was dressed in red. They must be coming over here. So the apartments over here. They have a parking ramp. So this is like a little maze, I think. Over here. Shall we? Walk over here. cruise around over here. This must be a Native American something, I guess. I think I'm over here and meditate. So you can be able to see it. They got cameras over here too as well, so there's any problems going on. Someone doing something stupid, if I was destroying something, it'd be on camera. So it's a good thing. You gotta have safety. You have families around. Someone do something stupid. Over here. Yeah, where this is over here. Let me see what this is. Ellsworth Kelly double curve. Okay. Huh. All right. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. Kind of strange. I guess this is supposed to be something substantial, but they are sculptures. Someone took time out of their day to do them. So I also have someone over here, standing over here. Oh, like something over here, a wall looks like, or something. So George, the working man, nice. The working man, damn right, working class. Right here, there it is. Kind of looks like Sid Hartman. Isn't that? That's right. Another one sitting over there. We'll see what this is. Right. Huh. All right. Some over there too as well. We'll go over here. That's kind of cool. So, a little camping area, a little picnic area for the family. Some kind of rock over here. Now there's all kinds of apartments they put in over here. But I'm shocked that wooden thing isn't burned. Someone come out and do that crap. Shocked. So, whatever this is. Alright. Purple one. So anyways, yeah. We're gonna roll over there, so I hope you guys enjoyed the little DJ party bus. So they're dropping people off there, you can see right over there. The old MTC bus, I've seen that around before. They drive them around, they get drunk and they come here. Walk around, get hard, and they drive fast. So it's kind of cool. I just, I don't know. Anywho's. Oh no! And we get over to here, kind of where we started. So anyways. All right, so like I said over there, I don't need to I got better things I gotta do. So, all right, guys. Final frontier here. Did the whole circle. Took our time. What a Native American sculpture. Kind of cool. Very nice. Very, very nice. Be cool to have a Statue of Liberty. Someone to do a miniature one. Cool. Very nice.